Hi there, I'm Nick, and in this video I'll show you what 3 marketing steps I took to sell $224,000 worth of online courses over the course of 3 years. This is video 5 in a sequence of 7 videos where I share with you everything I've learned in making and selling online courses in my free time, which has enabled me to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars in just 3 short years. You can do it too, and I'm sharing it all with you. In my case, I worked for Amazon for many years, and after leaving, I decided to create a single course and then turned it into multiple courses that helped job candidates interview with Amazon, get hired by Amazon, and change their lives for good. In previous videos in this 7-day challenge so far, we've covered a lot of concepts, starting from how to think of the idea for your online course, then how to experiment with it and post it to a massive platform like Udemy in order to prove the concept, then how to find the right pricing, and then lastly, how to take that course from Udemy to a platform where you control the customer information in order to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now we've gotten to this step, and it's time to share with you how to build that marketing presence online for your course. The reason you need to do that is because you can no longer rely on the marketing muscle of massive platforms like Udemy to show your course to customers and have them find it. Instead, you need to build that marketing online presence yourself. And I will show you 3 steps I took that have helped me a ton in the process and have helped me earn hundreds of thousands of dollars and reach thousands of customers. Let's start with marketing step 1. That step is to deeply understand how customers find the information that you're offering them with your course, where they go online in order to search for that information. Once you find what those places are, you will build your presence there organically so that customers can find your course without you needing to pay anything to anyone. In my case, I am selling my course to job candidates who want to interview with Amazon. The journey for the majority of my customers, Amazon's job candidates, is that in the very beginning, they are contacted by an Amazon recruiter usually. And without any preparation, these job candidates successfully go through the first 2 or 3 initial steps in the interview process. They have their resume reviewed, they have an online assessment or an online test completed, they have a preliminary screen, a preliminary phone interview, and after they complete these steps, they get invited by Amazon to interview with an interview loop of 5 or 6 Amazon employees. And at that time, these job candidates understand that they need to prepare in order to do well and change their lives and get hired by Amazon. And at that point, they start looking, they start searching for information that will help them prepare for the upcoming interview loop. And the 2 places that they most frequent is Google search and YouTube search. I know this by having spoken with my customers. I have interviewed them extensively, and I know that those are the 2 places where they find this information to prepare. Therefore, as a solopreneur, I discount a lot of these other places where customers might find information for my course. I don't necessarily care for places like Facebook or LinkedIn or Discord or what have you, Reddit. There might be some customers there for sure, but my primary presence is on these 2 main platforms where I know the majority of my customers look for information and search for information, and that's where I'm presenting the information for my courses. In my case, I have built a YouTube channel. Here it is, the Amazon Bound YouTube channel, and I have 3,000 subscribers, and I am publishing content about on a weekly basis, give or take, and people find my content and engage with me and know about the services that I offer. So that's the primary content strategy that I use. Now, with this content strategy, the videos that I publish are organically surfaced via Google search and YouTube search. Let me show you how that works. Online assessment test, Amazon, for example. Let's see. There you go. This is one of my videos. How should I prepare for the Amazon online assessment test? You can see how these are small snippets that people are looking for in order to prepare, and the videos that I build address those specific questions And when people look for this information in Google search, I show up somewhat close to the top of the search stack. Okay, let's try another example, a different search. Maybe let's say how to answer earn trust Amazon. Okay. And there you have it. How do I display and earn trust in the Amazon interview? So that's another topic that I rank highly on. So you can see how this is why Google search is so effective for me. I have published in my channel, how many videos? 108 videos on these different topics that get indexed by Google and shown to customers. Now let me show you the other channel in YouTube, and here I have started an incognito window so that you're not going to see my prior history, which is in YouTube's case skewing the results. But here let's look for maybe how do I ace my Amazon phone screen interview. There we go. And there you go. I'm right at the very top here. How should I prepare for the Amazon phone screen interview? And if I click on it, then
hello, I'm Nick.
Here's me.
Former Amazon bar raiser.
Once customers have found your content, then they can go to your website, in my case, amazonbound.today, and find out more about you. And that's where step 2 comes in, marketing step 2 of how I build my online presence. In that second step, once customers have gotten to my site and they read more about the services that I offer 6 times higher success rate with my courses compared to if you do it on your own, compared to the average Amazon applicant. And through here, my 4 types of courses that you can consider. And then throughout that, you can book a call with me. You can click and book a Calendly call with me live for free. And that's the second marketing step that I want to share with you, how to embed a Calendly button and enable customers to find you and book your time live. That's a very big difference maker compared to a lot of your competitors, hopefully, that you're giving customers your time live for free and they can talk to somebody before they give you hundreds of dollars, or in some cases thousands of dollars in my courses, and they want to see who I am, they want to ask me questions. And the Calendly integration on my site is very, very important. I'm not going to go through the specific steps in this video of how to create a Calendly account, of how to embed that Calendly button with your online course platform, in my case that's Squarespace. I have done all of that step by step in this video right here, and I encourage you to watch it if you're interested. Great. Step number 3, marketing step number 3, with which you can enable people to find your content and engage with you, is to send people emails. After all, that's why you moved your entire school, your entire set of online courses from Udemy, where you don't have your customer information, to another school like Teachable or Squarespace, where you do, in order to gain access to those emails. So now, once you have those emails, you better do something with them. And that's where the third step comes in, which is email your customers directly and stay in touch with them. There are lots of email platforms that let you do this. Each of these online school platforms, Teachable, Squarespace, they have own integrated CRM, customer relationship management system that lets you email these customers. In my case, I email customers directly in one of 2 ways. One is via MailChimp. It's a third-party email platform. And 2, by emailing those customers directly from my professional Gmail account. I'll show you both in the MailChimp audience. In the MailChimp dashboard that I have, here are my Amazon bound customers. I have 1,300 people here whose emails I have. Sometimes they ebb and flow. And I have different campaigns that go out to these customers. Here is a recent one that I've done. My Amazon interview recycled me. Now what you can see, again, I am embedding one of my YouTube videos, right, this one. And I'm embedding that video in the MailChimp email campaign and blasting it out to these customers whose emails I have saved in my MailChimp app. The second way with which I contact customers is the old-fashioned way. I just email them directly. These are usually customers who purchase my courses or engage in free courses or enroll in my free courses. And this is my Amazon bound Google Workspace account. And I have saved, as you can see here, this is my drafts folder. I have saved 18 different email templates. And depending on what are the customer specific questions and what is on their mind, I have saved these templates, which happen to be the most engaged with, the most asked questions, if you will. And I quickly send these to customers. It's a manual process, but I like it because I get to engage with that customer directly and I get to control the message without relying on an automation source. Because as you can see, there's a big variety of potential emails that I have prepared to send to customers. So for example, if somebody enrolls in one of my packages, here's the premium package email by Amazon Bound, and I just quickly type the email to this person and click send. If somebody asks for what add-on services we have, in addition to having these pre-done packages, I have this email that I show them what the a la carte services are that we offer. If somebody wants to leave, in that case, I have the email prepared for them as well. All right, now that you know how to build your organic marketing presence so that your customers can find you and pay you hundreds of thousands of dollars, you're ready for the next step in our 7-day challenge, step number 6. And in that next step, I will share with you how I have learned from customers along the way and how I have used those learnings to continually change the courses that I offer them. You don't want to be a one-hit wonder. You want to continually improve and innovate the content of your courses so that you always stay top of mind. You stay relevant. You stay at the top of those YouTube and Google searches. And that's what you're going to find step by step in this next video right here. I'll see you there real soon.